In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to participate in an airdrop on Binance. Airdrops are a fantastic way to earn free cryptocurrency, and today we'll guide you through the process step by step. It's quick, easy, and can be rewarding. First, let's get started by opening the Binance app on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, look towards the bottom where you'll see a tab labeled More. Tap on that, and then find and select the airdrop option. This is your portal into the world of crypto bonuses and giveaways. Now that you're in the airdrop section, the next step is to select an active airdrop campaign. Binance frequently hosts various airdrop campaigns, each offering a different set of rewards. Make sure to read through the details of the campaigns available to understand what's being offered and what's expected from you as a participant. Picking the right airdrop is crucial because it determines the tasks you'll need to complete and the rewards you could potentially earn. Once you've chosen a campaign, it's time to complete the necessary tasks. Tasks often involve depositing a specified amount of cryptocurrency, trading a certain volume, or holding a particular token for a set period. These tasks are essential as they're a form of participation requirement, enabling you to qualify for the rewards. Make sure to follow the guidelines provided by each campaign closely to ensure your eligibility. It's a great way to engage with the Binance community and potentially boost your crypto holdings. With your tasks completed, the next thing you need to do is tap on the Join Now or Claim button, depending on what the campaign specifies. This step officially registers your participation and, if all conditions are met, allows you to lay claim to your well-earned rewards. Double check that you've completed each task adequately before you hit that button to avoid any mishaps. Finally, once you're approved and your participation is verified, the rewards from the airdrop will be sent directly to your spot or funding wallet within the Binance app. Keep an eye on these wallets to see your rewards come through. This final step is perhaps the most rewarding, as you get to witness the fruits of your engagement with the platform through successfully completed tasks. Participating in airdrops on Binance is a straightforward process that can be both fun and profitable. By following these steps, you can easily navigate the platform's offerings, earn rewards, and make the most of your interaction with the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Happy earning, and see you in the next video.